FP. Third to conform, Ayobi Tison Pasilan, Kim Archil G. Arcajo, Krishna Lane S. Tapales. Conformer number 4 from Aguilaran City, Luis Hermione Epi, Maria Isabel Quiniano, and Mayor Alpha Gomez. Conformer number 5 from Bohol Province, Jonathan Quarteros Kisime Dumayon, Princess Jamie Namokot, and 6 to perform, Mandawi from Mandawi City, Dia V. Valen, Eric Cristal V. Ranola, and Zeneme N. Kimke. Last to perform from City of Lapu-Lapu, Athena K. S. Sapio, Abigail S. Alpanta, Jamaica J. R. Vasquez. Please proceed now with your weapon to court number 2 for verification. That was your first call. Thank you.
Cebu City, Angel Prince
Official time, 1 minute and 3 seconds.
Jane Daniels Memorial,
Judge 1, 9.1. Judge 2, 9.2.
Please proceed to the
Judge 3,
verification area.
9.1. Judge 4, 9.1. And Judge 5, 9. Thank you, judges. Thank you, performance.